So very good afternoon students. This is Deepak Upadhyay, your chemistry teacher. So class 9 I am here with a new video on chapter water. Let us start. Solution. Basically solution is the mixture of two things, solute and solvent. It's the combined composition of solute and solvent. Whereas solute is that substance which dissolve in the solvent to form solution. Solute is the substance that dissolve in the solvent to form solution. And solvent is the medium in which that solute can be dissolved to form the solution. If today let us study about this by the example. Like I am taking salt as a solute and solvent में मैं ले रहा हूँ water, है ना, जो इनका solution बन के हुआ होगा saline water, है ना, it is the solution. So salt is the substance which got dissolved in the water, which is a solvent, and water is the substance जो allow कर रहा है solute को to dissolve in it. ठीक है, so this is solvent and this is solute. And the product which is coming after the mixing these two substances, that is saline water. This is the solution. So we can say that solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be gradually changed by changing the relative amount of substance in it. इसकी कंपोजिशन में बदलाव कब होगा? जैसे ही आपने इन सल्यूट्स या सॉल्वेंट की कंपोजिशन में बदलाव कर दिया. जैसे जैसे आप सल्यूट या सॉल्वेंट की कंपोजिशन में बदलाव करते हैं तो आपका जो कंपोजिशन ऑफ या सॉल्यूशन है दैट विल आल्सो बी चेंज. ठीक है, the composition of this solution will be gradually changed when the amount of the solute or solvent will be changed. Got it? Okay. Solution basically आपका solid to solid हो सकता है. ठीक, लाइक मेटल्स टू मेटल्स को कॉम्बिनेशन या मेटल नॉन मेटल की कॉम्बिनेशन से बनता है अलॉय. यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दिस थिंग, है ना. या सॉलिड लिक्विड मिक्सचर एज दिस, है ना, लाइक सॉल्ट एंड वाटर का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है ये सोल्यूशन के फॉर्म में आ सकता है. लिक्विड लिक्विड लाइक व्हाट, अल्कोहल एंड वाटर, है ना, इनका सोल्यूशन बन सकता है. या लिक्विड गैस, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस का कॉम्बिनेशन, है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल सोडा वाटर, है ना, सोडा वाटर. तो दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस अगर हम बात करें जहाँ पे दो तरीके के सब्सटेंस अलग अलग होते हैं. ठीक, ओके. नाउ वन थिंग कम्स कि व्हाट यू मीन बाय ट्रू सॉल्यूशन. ट्रू सॉल्यूशन इज बेसिकली दैट सॉल्यूशन in which the component size would be approximate 10 to the power minus 10. ठीक है, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. A solution in which the size of the solute particle is about 10 to the power minus 10 meter. ये solute particle का size है, that is known as the true solution. And one more important thing is that in a true solution the solute particle and the solvent molecules cannot be distinguished. The solute particle and the solvent molecules cannot be distinguished even under a microscope. अगर हम उसको माइक्रोस्कोप से भी देखें तो solute and solvent की जो composition है it cannot be seen. ठीक है, that means the true solution is the type of the solution in which the component cannot be seen by under a microscope, है ना. Approximate 10 to the power minus 10 क्या होता है, इसका साइज होता है solute in true solution. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So what do you mean by aqueous solution? You must have studied about this. इसके बारे में आपने जरूर सुना होगा. Aqueous solution, ठीक है. Aqueous solution is the type of the solution in which the solvent is water. ठीक है, water is the most common solvent, है ना. A solution produced by dissolving a substance in water is known as the aqueous solution. Aqueous solution basically वो solution है जो जिनमें जिस सोल्यूशन में वाटर वुड बी एज अ सॉल्वेंट, ठीक है, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, उसका एक्वस सोल्यूशन कहते हैं, ठीक है. बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट कि इन एवरी सोल्यूशन देयर इज नेसेसिटी ऑफ वाटर टू बी अवेलेबल, है ना. देयर आर मेनी मोर सॉल्वेंट्स आर अवेलेबल लाइक alcohol, petrol, ether, benzene, carbon disulfide, liquid ammonia, many more there, है ना. तो rest of the substances which I have told you, that is non-aqueous solution other than water, ठीक है. जो वाटर के अलावा थे उनको हमने क्या कहा, non-aqueous solution कहा, ठीक है. When the solvent is alcohol, then this kind of solution is known as the tincture. Tincture. What? Tincture. Tincture solution is the type of the solution in which the major solvent या जो solvent है that would be alcohol, ठीक है. जब water होगा तो उसको हम aqueous solution कहेंगे, लेकिन जब solvent क्या होगा, alcohol होगा, that is known as the tincture. Clear? Tincture of iodine is a solution of iodine in alcohol. अगर हमने कहीं लिखा हुआ है tincture of iodine, that means here iodine is the solute and alcohol is the solvent, and this solution is known as the tincture, ठीक है. चलिए, now we'll talk about dilution and concentration. Basically आपने इसको जरूर पढ़ा होगा in the chemistry lab, you must have seen this thing about dilution and concentration. Concentration समझते हैं क्या होता है. Basically concentration, it is the solution in which the amount of solute is relatively more than the solvent, where the amount of solute is more than the amount of solvent. This kind of solution is known as the concentrated solution. Or we can say this thing also, if the capacity or the amount of the solvent is less than the solute, तो उसमें आपने क्या कहा, उसको concentrated. जैसे अगर हम शुगर और वाटर की सोल्यूशन की बात कर रहे थे, आज we were talking about the water and sugar solution, है ना. अगर वाटर की जो है अमाउंट ज़्यादा हुआ एज कम्पेयर टू शुगर की अमाउंट ज़्यादा हुआ एज कम्पेयर टू वाटर, दिस काइंड ऑफ सोल्यूशन इज नोन एज द कंसंट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन, है ना, वेयर द सोल्यूट पार्टिकल इज मोर देन द सॉल्वेंट. As same way, if we'll talk about the definition of dilution, तो dilute part का क्या मतलब होता है, dilute solution is the type of the solution in which the solvent is more than the solute. So how do we dilute the things? We used to put more solvent in the solution so that the concentrated solution can be changed into the dilution. Dilution is the type of the solution in which the solvent amount would be greater than the solute. I hope it is clear. ठीक है. Now talk about the kind of solution. Solutions are basically of two types: saturated. So we were talking about saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated and unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Saturated solution और unsaturated solution में क्या है समझते हैं हम, ठीक है. A solution in which no more solute can be added at given temperature, ठीक है. एक ऐसा solution जिसमें और ज़्यादा solute नहीं मिलाया जा सकता at the particular given temperature, ठीक है. That solution is known as the saturated solution. And at the given temperature जिसमें और ज़्यादा solute मिलाया जा सकता है, a solution in which more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is known as the unsaturated solution, ठीक. ये आपका saturated और unsaturated का definition था. Like suppose I am taking one example. I have taken one flask या फिर one container in which मैंने क्या भरा है, water. As you know that कि liquid की जो internal molecular space होती है, that is less than the solid. Suppose this is the internal molecules of the liquid. Now I am putting sugar in it. ठीक है, I started putting sugar in it. It will dissolve in it, and it will take the spaces also. After some time you will observe that that sugar which I am putting over here, it will stop dissolving in it. ठीक है, this condition, this point is known as the saturated point of the solvent, in which it stops dissolving the solute in it. It is known as the saturated condition of that liquid. ठीक है, okay. Now we will move forward. Unsaturated condition, as I told you, यहाँ पे और solute मिलाए जा सकते हैं till जब तक वो saturated condition में ना पहुँच जाए. Before coming to the saturated condition, जो कि condition होती है, that is known as the unsaturated condition. There is one more condition which is known as the supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution is the type of the saturated solution in which solute concentration would be greater than the saturated condition of that liquid. उसी given temperature पे इससे ज़्यादा concentration हो तो हम क्या कहते हैं उसको? Supersaturated condition कहते हैं उसको. ठीक है, a supersaturated solution at a particular temperature is one that is more concentration than the saturated condition of the solution. उस solution से ज़्यादा की अगर क्या हो concentration हो तो this is known as the supersaturated solution. Is kind of supersaturated condition. Okay. Now we'll study about concentration of solution. What? Concentration of solution. How do we find out the concentration of solution? It is given in this. First one is mass percent. Just to find out the mass percent in the solution, there is one formula, that is the mass of solute divided by the mass of solvent. And with both the things, solute and the solvent comes, multiply by 100. This is to find out the mass percentage in a solution. It defines that in 100 gram of the solution, how much solute is present over there. In 100 gram of the solution, how much percentage of the solute is present, that is the way to find out the mass percentage of the solute. As same way, you can find out volume percentage. What? Volume percentage. There is one formula. Volume of the solute upon volume of the solution. Sorry, here I have written solvent. Solution, it could be solution, in which both things are. Solution, solid, solution, in which solute comes and solvent comes. Multiply by 100. Here also, if you have to find out the volume of the solute in 100 ml of that solvent, solution, sorry. So this is the formula to find out. Suppose here we have to find out the mass percentage of the solvent. Then only here it will change, solute के लिए यहाँ पे solvent हो जाएगा and the formula would be similar. This is the way to find out the concentration of the solution. Next, solubility. Solubility. What do you mean by the solubility? Basically, the amount of solute that dissolve 100%. The amount of solute that dissolve in 100 gram of the solvent to form a solution is known as the solubility of that solution. 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में जितना ज़्यादा सॉल्यूट डिजॉल्व हो सकता है, यही इसकी क्या कहलाएगी? सॉल्युबिलिटी कहलाएगी. ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे क्लास. नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. यहाँ तक आप लोग नोट्स बनाइए एंड प्लीज़ गो थ्रू द वीडियो. इफ़ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी इन द ग्रुप. ठीक है, जस्ट गो थ्रू द वीडियो एंड मेक द नोट्स. थैंक यू क्लास फॉर. थैंक यू.